Hey guys, this is Abhishek. In this video, I am talking about the upcoming smartphone is the OnePlus 6. Let's get started in a short and simple way. So shall we? The OnePlus 6 mobile features a 5.7-inch display with a screen resolution of 1440 into 2560 pixel and runs on Android 8.0 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by octa-core processor paired with a 8 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has a 3500 mAh battery. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 23 megapixel camera, XMOR RS, CMOS sensors supporting a resolution of 5536 into 4152 pixel, and the front snapper is powered by XMOR RS CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometry sensor, compass, etc. So does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. No board storage is at 128 GB with the option to expand the memory by no. And this much information we got still. So stay tuned to get latest techs. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Capslicky on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next best tech videos for you.